Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're going to elevate your workspace with the WALI Monitor Stand Riser. This handy accessory promises to not only tidy up your desk but also enhance your comfort and productivity. Stick around as we explore its features in detail. Let's dive right in and introduce the WALI Monitor Stand Riser. Design. This monitor stand boasts a spacious 14.6 by 9.3-inch metal shelf, providing ample room for your flat-screen display, laptop, or printer. It can support up to 44 pounds without breaking a sweat. Plus, anti-skid rubber pads keep everything in place. Ergonomic brilliance. Say goodbye to neck and back strain. This height-adjustable riser lets you lift your monitor or laptop by 3.9 inches, 4.7 inches, or 5.5 inches. It's all about creating a comfortable viewing position and a healthier sitting posture. Cool and ventilated. Nobody wants a hot computer. That's why this stand comes with a large, ventilated platform. It ensures your devices stay cool, even during intense work sessions. Organize your space. The sleek, modern black design not only complements any desk but also offers extra storage space underneath the stand. Say hello to a tidier workspace. Package includes: in the box, you'll find the WALI 3 height-adjustable metal monitor stand riser and, of course, experienced and friendly US-based customer support available 7 days a week. Now, let's take a closer look at the design and functionality of the WALI Monitor Stand Riser. As you can see, the build quality is top-notch. The metal shelf exudes durability, and those adjustable legs make it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features of this riser is its commitment to ergonomics. You can effortlessly switch between 3 height levels, allowing you to find the perfect working position. This isn't just about comfort. It's about reducing strain on your neck, back, and eyes. Now, let's talk about something every tech user appreciates: cooling. With its ventilated platform, this stand ensures your devices stay cool, even during marathon work or gaming sessions. And let's not forget the beauty of organization. The extra space underneath the stand is perfect for stashing away office supplies or decluttering your desk. It's a win-win. But, of course, we don't want to just talk about it. We want to hear from you. Have you been looking for a monitor stand like this? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. In conclusion, the WALI Monitor Stand Riser is more than just a desk accessory. It's a game-changer for your workspace. It offers a blend of design, functionality, and ergonomic benefits that can transform how you work or play on your computer. If you're ready to take your desk to the next level, check out the links in the description below to find the best deals on the WALI Monitor Stand Riser. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.